Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel MacPM. So in this video we will solve another problem on deflection of beams. So read the problem. Determine the slope and deflection of at the free end of a cantilever of length 3 meter. This total length is 3 meter. This is a cantilever beam which is carrying uniformly distributed load of 10 kilonewton per meter. So W is 10 kilonewton per meter over a length of 2 meter. So this is A is equal to 2 meter, L is equal to 3 from the fixed end. So from the fixed end, so it is 2 meter from here. This total length is 3 meter. So friends, we in previous video we have seen that if the UDL was over throughout the length of the beam, then slope would have been theta would be WL cube upon 6 EI, and deflection would have been WL square upon WL to the power 4 upon 8 EI. We have derived this in previous video. If you want, you can see that. Now this was the case when the suppose beam was only up to here and load is distributed uniformly throughout the span of the beam. So if it is only distributed up to A length, then at place of L we can put A. So theta A will be, suppose this point is A, so theta A will be WA cube upon 6 EI, and YA will be WA to the power 4 upon 8 EI. Okay friends, I hope you understand up to here. Now beam will deflect like this. Now from here there is no load, so it will deflect. It will be straight from deflect in inclined line from here. So you can see that it is a straight line. Beam is a straight line from here to here, so slope will be same from here to here. So slope will be at free end. If you suppose this is C, so if you want to find the slope at free end, then theta A is equal to theta C is equal to WAQ upon 6 EI. Slope will not change. And now suppose we want to find the deflection, and then we will draw a straight vertical line from here and we will join it from the beam. Now this is theta, and this is theta A, and this is, suppose this is YA, then this is YA, and suppose this is Y dash, then total deflection will be YA plus Y dash. YC is equal to YA plus Y dash. Now YA we already know. YA is, sorry, this is point A, so it is YA. YA is WA to the power 4 upon 8 EI plus Y dash will become this angle into this length. So it will become, because angle is very small, so we can do theta is equal to this upon this, because see, theta is equal to sine theta if theta is very small, and sine theta will become Y dash divided by this length L minus A. So we can write here Y dash is equal to this length multiplied by this angle theta. Y dash is equal to, from here, theta into L minus A. So theta into theta A into L minus A. So theta A already we know, so we can write WA to the power 4 upon 8 EI plus theta A is WA cube upon 6 EI into L minus A. So this will be deflection at point C. Now in problem it is given that L is equal to 3 meter, W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter, which is equal to 10 Newton per mm, and A is equal to 2 meter. So we already have formula theta c is equal to, we have found theta c is equal to WL to the power cube divided by 6 EI. Friends, E is given as 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square, and I is given as 10 to the power 8 mm to the power 4. I have not written in the question, sorry for that. So we will put these values. So theta c will become, W is 10 into L is 3 meters, so we will convert it to mm, so it will become 3000 cube divided by 6 into E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 into I is 10 to the power 8. If we will calculate that, then you will get 0.00066 radians. Okay, this is slope at free end, and deflection YC we have calculated. YC is equal to WA to the power 4 divided by 8 EI plus WA cube by 6 EI into L minus A. So we will put this values in here. So we will get W is 10 into A is 2000 to the power 4 sorry, here here was WAQ upon 6 EI, so it would have been 2000 cube upon 6 EI. Okay, because A was 2, I have written A is equal to 3, so it will come, answer will be same, and here it will become 10 into 2000 power 4 divided by 8 into E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 into I is 10 to the power 8 plus W is 10 into A is 2000 cube divided by 6 into E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 into I is 10 to the power 8 into L is 3000, A is 2000, so it is L minus A is 1000. So if you will calculate this, then you will get this one, you will get as 1 plus this one you will get 0.67. So total deflection will be 1.67 mm. So this is our answer. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section, and thanks for watching my video.